hospital tie me ye nya me na me kan ye otumfo na kan ayarefo mako 1 2 3 200 210 250 400 410 450 500 600 700 799 800 bed hospital esi ho amana ka wuram yemfi 800 o hospital ayarefo mako nipa 800 so yare sese ya esi enya mpama won no woda so sa hospital no esi ho aka wuram Yakwati otumfo. Pato yentie kro bia Ashanti koto otumfo say to ababio. Tie no.
The KNUST Teaching Hospital project, which on completion will accelerate the education and training of medical and allied health professionals for health self-delivery in the country, has been on the drawing board 12 years, which seems to be abandoned due to lack of funds. I have written to you, Your Excellency, through the Minister of Finance, and I do hope that it is a priority on Your Excellency's healthcare agenda.
Why na say ya wa banya odwene ya ho 12 years is not anado. I am talking about the government of Ghana. Governments of Ghana. I have for SSO.
Fellow Ghanaians.
Now, teaching hospital 800 bed. Hey! Hey, it's a sana ya dream ya jumasa. Ya shas ya Jesse for 12 solid years. And fear 1, 2, 3, and fear 4, 5, 6, and fear 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Except for lack of funds. By your Timinian funds, Equator car at the Bread Council of State. Now, one can say Ashanti region member of Council of State. When you're my mwefu, obeji sakano. Eastern Region Council of State member, Western Region Council of State. Sabu ye nipa mo dwedi nipa ho a kambeje saka yi wa bra hospital a nipa beda ho na nipa nwu no wankasa wo ye okay da bia hemfo na wo Council of State there wo mo nko Ghana hospital o onua me ya sorry pa ma me apologize to ahemfo no me ya sorry sa me se mo nko Ghana hospital mpa ma cho mo mfa nche me mo ye nipa chen ye ti mo nko hospital wa brochiri enti wankasa wo te Council of State so now we do 50 years akura untimi mfa billboard nsi ukrom udi besi nkran oh I don't know na Council of State wo two president for no woje ka na hospital aka nwuram nipa ben na yewo yentie the president they responded to otumfo patro yentie president
fellow Ghanaians.
But the construction of the teaching hospital, it is so dear to your heart and to that of Otumfo the Ashanti and Child.
2018, dear to our hearts. 19, 20, 21, dear to your heart. Pacho, Mami KNUST hospital, no? Either pictures or videos. Faguo. Na, akao, yemfi. Ayam mungunai. Ye jama eno akeka enwuram. Ene si wono, hospital. We contractor kura ba ho a eka ye besa kura san bompo ansa wato adwuma ne so no. Enade na ye de to adwuma ne so ni na da sisi so. Se quarantine you. Say ya bind you. Hwe die ya asisi hoi. Ebe bukura abosuku fo kura po bi ma na ya se hospital na the cassette stadium no. Kade hospital and it is a stadium no. Akawuram 12 years ago. Till today. But ya disikaba kwa kran confirm mo fra mahama mame. Na confirm ni na tu ko Burkina. Na do so disikaba kwa to pass questions. Na kwara na sa fail exams no.
I shall protect the public purse.
Pacho we su ye. Afa mama another place.
Onua
Sa me wo akwada ana wanyini na okọ suku a kamfie dumienu ko JSS. It is a KNUST hospital no or JSS 1. Yet who okro yim. Nan central fa ko hwifo. Mo sare ana mo se dan. Ayafo. Ade asasa ye ka na o man ni ye no wo dwene wo botom wo jare. Ade asasa ye na o man ni huri gina no ne ye gya to ho wo jare. And never ever tam camera, akotwa aba no. Yes, sorry, na say ye call a press conference. No bo say wo ye gina ho ye ina ye ka ho, ne ye tete ho wo twan de ho twan sorry. Dia. What the company car na call press conference. What some driver ni gina ho twan wa de nta wo twan sorry. O dwan di o dwan. So far that we are dominant. Kabako ka ho mam. O dwan. And you know, the things that we need to do, we are not doing it. And I am passionate when it comes to the media. Because America, it is what it is today because of the media. UK, it is what it is today because of the media.
He is smart. He is unique.
Baby, America do know any prayers and fasting. Baby, Europe do know any prayers and fasting. After all, America, you see Obama whatever, Beman di Bema, na Beman Sandy Bema too. It's one I say empire. I say young Quaffery. When a man doesn't touch a chair, I buy no. Sad story, I'm not buying no. Where Hojo, where the single largest military hospital in the world. And